Today we're gonna look at two really useful features in EasyEDA: cross-select and layout transfer. Let's start with cross-select. This feature basically lets you highlight matching parts between the schematic and the PCB, so you can quickly find what you are looking for. But here's the thing: you have to click the cross-select icon first. If you don't, it will stay grayed out and you won't be able to use it. For example, if I want to highlight a section in the schematic, I'll first drag to select it, then click cross-select. The software will automatically jump over to the PCB view and highlight the same component. It also works the other way around. From the PCB view, you can select the parts you want, hit cross-select, and it will highlight the matching parts in the schematic. Now, one important note: your PCB file must be generated from the schematic. If it's not, the component won't match up, and the cross-select simply won't work. Alright, now let's talk about layout transfer. This one's great for creating a rough PCB layout based on your schematic. Here's how it works. In the schematic, select the components you want, then click Layout Transfer. EasyEDA will place this part in the PCB layout roughly, according to how they are arranged in the schematic. From there, you can tighten things up, adjust the positions, and then start routing your traces. Just remember, layout transfer only works from schematic to PCB. You can't do it in reverse. So you always start in the schematic, select what you need, and then send it over. With these two tools, you can quickly navigate between schematic and PCB and also speed up the early stages of your PCB layout.